My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2020 Volkswagen Touareg. This vehicle has done just over 56,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control and driver assistance features. And on the right, we have voice control, our heated steering wheel, and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access our main features, which include radio and sound, phone and images, media and settings. We have our vehicle status, App Connect for Android and Apple CarPlay, navigation and CarNet. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a 360 degrees camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below, we can access our climate control with heated seats on either side. Next, we can control our air suspension, switching between off-road, road, load, and off-road plus. We also have a variation of different driving modes and terrains to choose from: snow, off-road, individual, sport mode, normal, comfort, and eco. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather, black interior, and get a good view of our panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.